been thinking too much about it. What I thought was certain, now I doubt it. So if it's over, tell me, where do I begin? And are there any more answers left out there in the wind? Sometimes I feel like an Amarillo windmill, standing out in the great wide open lawn. And every thought's a gust of wind, spins the blades in my mind again. If it's been too much, say it might break or bend. Oh, but if that wild wind never did lie still, my dreams would turn to rust out in the fields. I'll just watch the world fly by me. There's a silence welling up inside me. Let the rains fall, let the winds do what they will. Let it all spin, just let me be still. Sometimes I feel